Quick update here, Friday afternoon, July the 2nd. Just removed the original bumpers that had the black overriders on there and replaced them with polished stainless steel bumpers without the overriders. Looks much better. These are for a 76. They have the cutout for the indicator lamps. I did not have the front license plate holes put on the bumper, so it looks nice and solid like a European style car. Coming around to the back, same thing. It actually fits really well. The only minor issue we had is the nameplate there has 3 holes. Well, the hole on the far left is slightly off center, so I can't put a screw in it, but it'll have to do. But besides that, not too shabby. I will note one thing. The steel is 2 millimeters thick, just like on the original bumpers. However, the only issue that I have, and I'm not too concerned about it, is this plate here that mounts to the car frame. On the original bumper, it's actually pretty thick. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick. On the replacement bumper, it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. I'll put a link to picture so you guys can see it. Anyways, that's it for now.